Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys 5 tricks on how you can stay motivated. Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone wants to be fit. Everyone wants to make money. And everyone wants to wake up early so they can be as productive as possible. But many people lag behind when they try to achieve these type of things because they lack persistence and determination. So now, I'll be telling you guys the 5 tricks on how you can stay motivated to do anything. Number 1, do it for 3. Do your task for 3 minutes. When you're dreading a task because it's gonna make you feel tired, it's gonna make you feel lethargic and exhausted, challenge yourself to do it for 3 minutes. Once you're in the moment, once you're doing the task, you're gonna start feeling like, I need to finish it. For example, if you have a workout to complete, you're gonna be dreading it because you know you're gonna be sore, you know you're gonna be tired, and you know how long it's gonna take. So what you can do is challenge yourself just for 3 minutes. Challenge yourself to do crunches for 3 minutes. Your body is going to be more willing to do this exercise rather than the whole workout. So your body is gonna be like, okay, fine. It's just 3 minutes. I'm gonna be good. It's gonna be fine. You know? But while you're doing your crunches, more blood will be pumping through your veins. And now that you're more physically active, your body is more capable to finishing a 1-hour workout. This applies to everything in life. Whether you have a huge school project, a lot of work to do, or you want to keep fit, all you have to do is just trick your mind into thinking that, oh, you're just going to be doing this task for 3 minutes. It's just 3 minutes, right? But when you are in the grind of it and in the moment of it, you will be more motivated to finishing that task. Number 2, what is your why? See, we are all human beings, and when we're doing something that we like to do, we love to continue that. But when there's something that doesn't really benefit us at that point of time, we avoid it as much as possible. So to prevent yourself from not doing the important things and the things that you have to complete, just stop. Stop whatever you're doing and just think about the bigger picture. Think about why you're doing this, why you're studying so hard, why you're working out like crazy. Is it because you want a good job to support your family in the future? And is it because you want to put some people in their place and also feel better about yourself? So whenever you're feeling unmotivated, just stop. Stop whatever you're doing, zone out and think about the bigger picture. Think about how you're going to benefit in the future. And this will motivate you. Number 3, strike a power posture every now and then. Chances are that you're watching this video like this. This low confidence posture not only makes you more fatigued and lazy, but it makes you unmotivated as well. So the next time you catch yourself, just doing your work in that position, stop. Stop whatever you're doing, stand up, stretch, and just breathe. Let out all the bad shit. And then continue your work with a new posture, with a new mind, feeling amazing as ever. Number 4, peer pressure. If your goal is to become an athlete, a singer, or do better in school, doesn't it make sense to surround yourself with people who are good in those things? When you do so, you will naturally want to become more like them. For example, if you are in one of the good classes in your school and everyone's studying really hard and you're around them all the time, they're just talking about studies, they're talking about how to do things better, you would subconsciously think about those thoughts as well. And when you do that, you wouldn't realize it, but you would start doing the exact same thing as them. And at the same time, you will be molding yourself and changing yourself to what you want to become. Number 5. In my opinion, this is the most important trick of this entire video. Instead of constantly looking for motivation outside, start looking for it within yourself. Everyone's life has definitely been faced with hardships and sorrows. Like whether be it family problems, relationship problems, self-love issues. These memories have definitely made a mark in your heart that can always be felt. No matter how old you are, there's definitely some shit that happened in your life which makes you feel like shit about yourself. So when you look for motivation, realize that you've already made it through the worst and that you never ever want to reach that point again. So with that in mind, right, you'll be like, yo, I would never ever want to reach this point again. So you do everything in your power to ensure that you can never ever reach a point again. This type of motivation sticks to you because those memories, those hardships, that pain, they were real. They were all real to you, in your heart, in your mind. So you know what it's like. So it will stick to you for the rest of your life. Other type of motivation, they'll tell you, never give up. Excuses don't bring success. No pain, no gain. Those type of motivations, like, yeah, they work. But they only stay with you for a short amount of time. You see, regular motivation is temporary, but when you look for it in yourself, that shit's permanent, because you know what it's like to be at that low, and you know for a fact that you never want to go there again. So my internal motivation is when I used to be fat, right, and everyone bullied me. My family bullied me. They're watching this video, so yeah, my family bullied me, my friends bullied me, and basically I was taken as a punching bag in school. I wasn't taken seriously sometimes, and it would really suck because I was there just trying to make everyone happy, but everyone's just taking the shit on me. So it was really bad to the point where I tried to take my own life in 2015, I believe. But obviously and thankfully it didn't work out. So that's why I'm here now. But yeah, after those memories have etched itself into my brain and my mind and everything. It has become my motivation. It has become part of me that I do not want to ever reach that point again, because if I do, it will be terrifying. And that's the reason why I keep on pushing myself. My eyes are a little bit puffy from the previous clip, but that's fine. See, that's exactly the point. The pain, the hardship that you went through, that should energize you to ensure that you can never ever reach that point again. Because if you do, it's gonna suck like crazy. Also, I call this type of internal motivation a push factor. My push factor was that I was bullied, I was called fat, I was called names, I was dumb, and I was stupid. I was looked down on by many, many people. So to ensure that I never ever reach the point again, I took that hardship, I concentrated it in my brain, and I told myself, you're never gonna reach that again. And you do whatever the hell it takes to make sure that you never reach that point again. So basically what I want you guys to do is realize your push factor. And when you do, take it and use it to drive you to improve yourself even more than ever, because personal hardships, personal pain is where you can learn the most things from. So the way to find out your push factor is by being alone for a while and just think and immerse yourself with your past memories. If those memories can trigger you to cry, make you feel bad about yourself, that is your push factor. Take it and utilize it to your advantage, because that's the best way to motivate yourself. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a quick summary. So the first one is do it for 3. Number 2, what is your why? Number 3, power posture. Number 4, peer pressure. And number 5, the most important one, your push factor. Realize it, enhance yourself, and become even better. But anyways, that's it from me today, and you guys will see me in my next video, which I'll be posting next week. So yeah, take care guys.